In today's video, I will show you how you can reset this coffee machine back to its factory settings. If you are experiencing issues or just want a fresh start, this reset process is quick and easy, so let's get started. First, make sure your coffee machine is powered on and fully booted up. Once the machine is running, you are ready to begin the reset process. Now locate the menu button on the control panel. Press the menu button once to enter the main settings menu. So using the arrow button, scroll through the menu option until you find general. This is usually one of the main options in the settings list. Once highlighted, press OK button to confirm. Inside the general menu, look for an option called default values or reset. Select this option and press OK. You will now see a confirmation prompt asking if you want to reset the machine. You need to press OK again to confirm and continue. The coffee machine will now begin the reset process. This may take few minutes, so be patient. You will see a message on the display letting you know the reset is in progress. And once finished, a confirmation message will appear on the screen. To exit the settings and return to the main screen, you need to press the escape button, and that's it. Your coffee machine has been successfully reset. Hopefully this video helped you reset your coffee machine with no trouble. I hope you liked the video. That's it for today. Thank you for watching.